Hey yo, what is up guys? It's your boy Corey back with another video, and today guys we're gonna talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. So anyways guys, you guys can get 40% off on any items you purchase in my merch store. The promo code will be in the description below, so make sure you guys run over there and get your merch before it runs out. So anyways guys, before we start this video, can we hit some likes on this video? Just hit it, just do it, just smash it.
Smash.
So anyways guys, let's get into this video.
The Samsung Galaxy Fold2 is an Android-based foldable phone developed by Samsung Electronics for its Samsung Galaxy Z series. Succeeding the Samsung Galaxy Fold, it was announced on the 5th of August 2020 alongside with the Samsung Galaxy Note 20, the Samsung Galaxy S7 Tab, the Galaxy Buds Live, the Galaxy Watch 3. Samsung later revealed pricing and available details on the 1st of September. Now let's talk about the design of the Galaxy Fold. Unlike the original Fold, which had an entire plastic screen, the screen is protected by a thick ultra-thin glass with a plastic layer like the Z Flip. Manufactured by Samsung materials from Scott AG, Gorilla Screen is used for the back panel with an aluminum frame. The mechanism is also borrowed from the Z Flip, using neon fiber design to keep the dust out. It is a self-supporting from the 75 to 115 degrees. The power button is in the frame. This device will come with two colors, Majestic Bronze and Majestic Black. Users will be able to customize the color when ordering the phone from Samsung website. Now let's go more in depth about the hardware of this phone. The Galaxy Z Fold2 contains two screens. The front cover uses a 6.23 inches display in the center, significantly larger than its predecessor 4.6 inch display, and the device can be folded open and expose a 7.6 inch display with a circular cutout on the top center of the right placing of the notch alongside with a thin border. The device has a single configuration of 12 GB of RAM and 250 GB of non-expandable storage. The Z Fold is powered by Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is used in all regions, unlike the other Samsung phone that has been split between the Snapdragon. It uses two batteries split in two halves, totaling a slight of 4500 amps capacity. Fast charging is supported over a USB-C. The Z Fold2 contains 5 cameras, including 3 rear-facing camera lens, 12 megapixel photo, and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide angle, as well as 10 megapixel front-facing camera on the cover, and a second 10 megapixel front-facing camera on the side screen. By means of improved multi-window mode, pop-up to 3 supported apps can be placed on screen at once. Apps open on similar screen can expand into a larger when the user unfolds the device. Additionally, supported apps will now automatically get split screen view with a sidebar and the main app panel. New to the Z Fold split screen functionality called Flex Mode, which is compatible with certain apps like YouTube and Google Duo, along with Samsung apps. Samsung Galaxy Fold2 price and release date. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 will release on September 18 in the US and the UK, where you can pre-order your phone now. In Australia, you can pre-order your phone on the 9th. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 will be on sale on the 25th. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2 is to set a cost of 2,000 US and 1,800 in Euro. For a 250 gig model and there is no sign of Samsung offering other storage variation at this time. There's also a separate limited edition package is yet to cost at 3,000 US and in euro 3,000, and that will be ready to buy on the 25th of September. So anyways guys, thanks for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you guys haven't already. So anyways guys, it's me, your boy Cortac. Peace out.